The 103-2-1-0 formula can help you sleep better and wake up in the morning feeling refreshed, and it's dead simple. Restless nights will be a thing of the past if you follow this method. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? We've all been there, and when you're struggling with insomnia, you'll try anything in the bid to get some decent shut-eye. And the good thing is there's no shortage of expert-approved sleep hacks to try. There's the 4-7-8 technique, the military sleep method, cognitive reshuffling, and now, a US doctor on Instagram has gone viral for sharing a lifestyle trick that could help us sleep more soundly. Dr. Jess Andrade recently caught the attention of thousands of people after her Instagram reel explaining sleep hygiene basics took off online. In the video, Dr. Andrade introduces the 103-2-1-0 method, a step-by-step guide on how to prepare yourself for a night of optimal sleep throughout the day. Around 2 hours before hitting the hay, Dr. Andrade suggested relaxing the brain, stopping any tasks or work-related things and saving it for the next day to give yourself a mental rest. Finally, she said that reducing your use of electronics and screen time an hour before bed is essential to getting good quality sleep as the blue light disrupts the body's natural sleep cycle. The 0 then stands for the amount of times you'll need to hit the snooze button in the morning, as you'll be well rested and ready to conquer the day. So the 103-2-1 method is as follows. 10 hours before bed, no more caffeine. 3 hours before bed, no more food or alcohol. 2 hours before bed, no more work. 1 hour before bed, no more screen time. Shut off all phones, TVs and computers. 0. The number of times you'll need to hit snooze in the AM.